Okay, so we're going to take a look at Knightrider's kit and K.A.R.R. Now, I've had Kit for a while, and so you may see some dust on him, but doors open. This is the 1/32 scale Jada Knightrider Hollywood Rides kit. And I believe in the TV series it was actually a hardtop. I could be wrong, but it's I was a kid back then. I was young, so it's hard to tell. But you got pretty nice interior detail. The steering wheel is the TV series model steering wheel. That's really cool. Has like maybe little video cameras or something right there, video screens. So yeah, I mean that's some nice little detail for a 1/32 car. Here you have your licensing information talking about how that is a Pontiac Firebird, which is basically the Trans Am. Now, Kit and K.A.R.R are the exact same year model vehicle. K.A.R.R was the prototype, and they programmed it to look out for itself. They saw that being a espionage car, that wasn't necessarily the best thing. It needed to look out for its rider and for other people. So they scrapped K.A.R.R and made Kit. And so this is actually the second version of K.A.R.R. The first version of K.A.R.R looked exactly like Kit. There was no difference. But when they brought him back in the third season, they changed the color of the front light to yellow, and then made it two-tone, which is really, really cool. And the voice was all different. The voice of K.A.R.R was the voice of Optimus Prime. So my name is K.A.R.R. So, I can't do a good Optimus Prime. I got a sore throat. But yeah, and serial number, license information on K.A.R.R. Very nice. Boosters right there. So, yeah, I believe he came back in season 3. And when he came back in season 3, I think it was season 3, he was two-tone like that. Really, really nice. But other than that, same year, same model. That's how it rolls. The kit rolls about the same. So not a lot of free roll in there, but it says 8+. I love that background. Love it. That's just an amazing background. Sometimes Jada they just nail a great background. But that's basically it for Kit and for K.A.R.R. See, you got a red tone and a yellow tone. So that, yeah, they're both Firebirds. And that is Jada. Kit and K.A.R.R. I just got K.A.R.R. and thought I'd do this video. So